Quran says in Surah Ma'idah chapter 5 verse number 16 that Almighty God guides those people who come towards Him, towards peace and safety, and takes them out of darkness into light. That's the reason. Every chapter of the glorious Quran, there are 114 chapters in the Quran, every chapter except 9 starts with the beautiful formula, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in the name of Allah, Almighty God, the most merciful, the most gracious. According to me, peace is the only solution for humanity. And I am a person who spreads peace. My mission is to spread peace. And as many may be aware, that I started a global Peace TV network about 5 years before in January 2006. In January 2006, I launched the Peace TV in English. 2.5 years later in 2008, Peace TV Urdu, and inshallah, in the next couple of months, in April 2011, we will launch the Peace TV Bangla. Today, Peace TV English is the largest watched Islamic satellite channel in the world. It has a viewership of more than 100 million, out of which more than 25% are non-Muslim.